My name is Marc Petipas, and I am the CEO and owner of Marc Petipas Business Coaching. Yeah, so I spend quite a bit of time on behavioral training as well as strategic process. But as the pandemic extended, more and more organizations were becoming even more cautious until we got vaccines. And so I would literally do training sessions with a group on Zoom in breakout rooms and do the same thing I'm doing live, but in a virtual environment. I think the biggest challenge you have training virtually is keeping people engaged. You know, when you're live and in a room and you're walking the room, it's easy to see body language and see if people are following the content or not. And you don't have to take the same effort to make it as engaging from an audio-visual perspective. Reactiv, first off, has really changed the engagement of my presentations. You know, for me, the ability to circle, take notes, people see my face on the screen in a larger format than you would in other platforms, my logo, their logo, but being able to draw up documents and really hammer home points allows me to make sure the audience has seen it. You know, when I highlight something through the technology, I'll say to the group, have you ever heard of that before? Do you know an example? And I drive down the dialogue around that point we've highlighted in the technology. So it really makes sure the content sticks. So from a presentation perspective, the video, the branding, and the ability to make it interactive has really helped me up my interactive training game, my remote training game. The implementation of Reactiv is simple. It's really easy to get going. For me, immediately stood out, made my presentations look better. I felt better, I was showing up better to my clients. I would say practice. My handwriting, you know, has never been my best strength or my strongest point. And so getting used to some of the accessories to fully use the technology would be the only area I had to practice, and that's because it's me. But the software was easy to use, it really grabs attention, and again, it helps you stand out.